So we're here in Livingston. Finally, we made it after this great long journey. And one of the things that we're doing this time around is we're going around and I am looking for my favorite bitters. So this is my first bitters while we're here in Livingston. We are at Maria Gamboa's place. This is the bitter that we're gonna try right now. If you can see, look at the body, look at the color. That's one of the things that we want to look for, a nice, beautiful color. You know, I mean, some of them are darker and everything like that, but I like a lighter color of bitters. That means that it's probably not that, you know,
strong,
you know. So I say bitters. Bitters is what we call it in English, but it's Gífiti and Garifuna. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to smell it. The aroma is good. I smell a little bit of aniseed in there, and it smells really, really good. So now it's sort of taste. You could do it like a shot, or you could just take a little snip and drink it like a cognac. So I'm going to taste it and just see how it tastes and see if this is one of the ones that I like.
¿Qué botella?
Oh yeah, this is so smooth. Like I said, depending on the color. Oh yeah, for me too. So, so depending on the color, you know, it depends, you know, the color, the lighter the color, the more smoother it is. The darker the color, the more, you know, rough it is. But this one is a delicious. This is a really good bitter. I'm going to go ahead and do a full shot now because this sucker is good. So, and I'm going to do it with just a little bit of lemon. I'm not going to do the salt, but I'm going to go ahead. Cheers. Here's to you, my first bitters. Again, we are at Maria Gamboa's place. This bitter, I like a lot. This is like maybe 4 drum feet, okay? I'm loving this. Cheers.
And Maria's
So
not sponsoring nothing. And Maria's not sponsoring anything.
So Shirley's rating this based on drums. So 5 drums is the best. You gave it 4 drums. Damn.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that.
Well, let me get a drum.
So we are here at our second place for to taste our Gífiti. So we're here to taste the Gífiti. What's the name of it? This is my second one. Not my second one here, but my second one here in Labuga. So we're gonna go ahead and, again, evaluate, look at the body, nice and clear. I love the presentation. This one, I love the glass. I love the way that it's presented in a little, beautiful little glass over here. You know, again, the color is beautiful. It's light and clear, so you know it's not gonna be too harsh. The smell, oh my goodness, this smells like, okay, it has garlic in there, which is good for the immune system. So, so let me go ahead and take a taste. Woohoo! This is good. On a scale from 1 to 5 drums, I would give it a 3. It's really nice. It's really sharp. It's like really, it hits your palate. Very, very strong, but it's tasty. But I'm not one for the garlicky taste, so that's why I'm giving it a 3. I think it's a really good bitters, and we are here at Garifuna. Really good bitters. If you're in Labuga, stop by, get a shot of bitters. Again, I'm giving this 3 drums. Really good, beautiful body. The presentation alone is like superb. So here we go, taking my shot. Yes. There we go.
Sorry, but this is a natural Gífiti made home. We don't buy this out of the factory, you know. We made it home. Good for you, good for your body, good for every your sister you have. If you don't have baby yet, this is the medicine. Take the shot, 1 shot in the morning, another shot before you sleep. Then the pregnancy will come out. I prepare for child support.
Well, you killed the message, bro.
All right, let me bring the thing right down if you do.
Okay.
Did you order? So we are here at Laura Bea Gahfu's place, and I am trying my Gífiti. This is my third place where I'm trying Gífiti to try to find my favorite one. Again, I say my favorite one because everybody's palate is different. So it depends on what you like. You know, some people like a more sweeter Gífiti, which is called Gífiti and Garifuna, you know, but I like my Gífiti that's, you know, a little bit more potent, but I don't like it too strong. So this one is like, again, the color is very beautiful. If you look at the color, it's not that dark. So usually when it's not that dark, it's not that potent. The darker it is, the more potent it is. So here I am. I'm about to take my sip and just let me smell it. Okay, so it's a nice balance of aniseed. I smell the aniseed. There's a hint of garlic in it, but it's not over. So again, the color, the body, the smell, a little bit of aniseed with a little bit of garlic, not too overwhelming. So, you know, the taste is okay. So it's not my favorite. So this is my third try. It's not my favorite. So this is, maybe I would give this a 1. I don't like the taste. That's it. Just my flavor. Other people might like it, but like I said, everybody's taste bud is different. So we are here at Tierra Moera for our 4th spot to try to find my favorite bitter, my favorite Gífiti. So here it is. The presentation is, you know, it's pretty simple. Honestly, the smell, it doesn't smell that good. I'm kind of hesitant to taste it, but we're here to see if we can find my favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little sip and see if I like it. I honestly can't get over the smell. The smell is not that great. So wow, okay, that's really strong. Not my favorite at all. I don't like it. So I would give this 1 drum. It wasn't that good. So yeah. Mess. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. So yeah. I'm putting it down. I'm not even gonna finish this. So we are here at Dugu Bar in Livingston, and we are about to try, this is the 5th or the 4th? I believe it's the 5th Gífiti that we're trying here in Livingston. So again, I'm gonna look at the color. The color is a little bit more darker than the other ones that we've had since we've been here, you know, and you know what? This smells like real cinnamony. So I'm looking forward to tasting this. But Gífiti is a natural, again, it's natural, it's a Garifuna thing. We make it using, you know, natural herbs and everything like that. It's a medicinal thing. You can use it for medicine. You don't have to make it with alcohol, but you know, oftentimes it is made with alcohol, but you could use it for different things. It's medicinal, it, you know, does a lot of things. It's healthy for you. So again, this is my 5th one, and I'm trying to find my favorite Gífiti. It doesn't matter, you know, what you may like. You know, other people have different taste buds and everything like that. So I'm not trying to say that this is the best or whatever. I'm just trying to find my favorite while I'm here visiting, you know, Livingston. So let me taste it. Oh, this is nice. It has, when you taste it, it's not too strong. But then you have like a cinnamon taste to it, like when it goes down. So it's, you know what, it's really good. So I'm gonna give it like maybe a 3. This is like a 3 drums. 3 drums for this one. It's really good, it's really tasty, and it goes down smooth. So salute. So we are here, we are still here, and you know what? We were like,
We were sleeping on this one.
We were sleeping on this one. Like this here, this Gífiti over here. Semetileo. Oh, semeti.
Hello.
This here. Okay. So look at the body
Oh, the body.
and the presentation just alone
And the bottle.
in the bottle.
Elegant.
Okay. Elegant.
It's a secret.
Okay. It was a hidden secret.
Yes.
Here's the body. The smell is like cinnamon, but the taste goes down Labuga.
Sameti. Smooth. Judge your mama.
This here,
Puta, se me dio la africanos.
It's a five.
Africanos de aquí. Yo no
This
sabía que
here-
los africanos venían para acá.
This here is a five.
Here.
This Gífiti here,
All the
OMG.
drums. All the drums.
5 freaking drums.
Okay.
Oh.